To use Lightbox on your site, you will first of all need to copy these 3 lines of text into the header of your file. If you're using a template, it will need to go into the template header. If not, it will need to go into your index header. Highlight the areas and copy. Then go to the relevant page, so template, and the header is at the top of the page in the script. And you can see the head starts here and finishes down here. So simply find a good area to put it within and then paste within. Try to make sure you're not in between any other tags, and you can see this by a closing tag here for style, which has the / before it. So that's the end of a tag, so that's a good place to put in the coding. What you'll also see is the source is relating to a folder that will need to be copied to your website, and I'll show you this in a minute. After you've copied in the CSS, go back to the file you're looking at, and it'll also make reference to this CSS file that we need to copy in. So we also need to copy in this code. This now gives you 2 folders, which are CSS and JS, and then files within them that this file is referring to. So you'll now need to go to the source files, which is the Lightbox folder, and inside you will find the JS and CSS folders. Highlight these and copy and put them in the site that you are working on. Turn to your template and you'll now see these folders show up there. The reason we keep them inside the folder is the coding refers to the folder name and then the file afterwards. So we need to make sure that they stay inside the folder, and they cannot go inside other folders. They need to stay in the root of your website. Once you're happy with that, you can then save your template. To make use of the JavaScript Lightbox, we're going to copy this section of text and then link it to some images that we have created. So first of all, you highlight this. The link here does not refer to an image that you have. This text we will alter to make sure it links to a file that is in your images. Return to Dreamweaver and open up whichever page you want to put this lightbox effect on. Find the area you want to put the lightbox effect on. This will take you to that area in the coding, and then you can copy in that text. Now, at present, it will just come up with some text with a link. What we want to do is change the link and change the text to an image. So first of all, we're going to change the link, and we're going to use one of the large posters. We are then also going to insert the image. To do this, we highlight the text that is already present there, delete, and then go to Insert Image. We do all this whilst we are working in the script area. We go to the small posters and choose the one that links to the large. You can put in alternate text in case this doesn't show up. And there you have the image now put in, and then the large poster working as a lightbox effect. You can also add a title to the image when it pops up. Refresh the menu, and then this should work. So now we can go to preview, once completed, we can now add other images. We can do this by simply copying the previous image, then just altering the required text. This should then provide you with multiple images that you can pop up. To link these images, you will need to add an extra bit of text that will then mean that you can scroll through all of them. So the bit we're looking at is road trip. So copy that section and copy it into the rel area. The name can be anything, it just needs to be the same in all the sections you want to link up. And it should enable you to click through all the images. As you can notice, it says My Caption down here. We can alter this so it appears as we want it. Up here is the title, and you can alter it to whatever you want. Once happy, preview again, and as you can see, it's altered here.